Do you want to know how to make this effect in Kinemaster? Let me show you how to make it. First, select the video you want, then duplicate as a layer, then make it this video and make the adjustment. Okay. We don't need the adjustment, but I don't know why it's glitching like that. I have no idea why it's glitching. Anyways, go to the one that's duplicated as a layer and put the mixture to +5. And then filter B05 and 100%. Adjustment brightness 2% and contrast 7% and blending multiply. There you go. Enjoy your effect.